Hamster Combat के बारे
Hamster Combat.
Hamster Combat. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the sensational world of Hamster Combat, the clicker game that's taking the gaming and crypto world by storm. With over 200 million players since its launch in March 2024, this game is breaking records left and right. But how does it work? Can you really make money from it? Is it legal or just another scam? Stick around because in this video, we're going to answer all these questions and more. Let's get started. Your main goal? Tap to earn coins. But it's not just about mindless tapping. You can upgrade your exchange, invest in commodities, run PR campaigns, and even obtain legal licenses. All these elements add a strategic layer to the game, making it much more than just a simple clicker. Hamster Combat has achieved incredible success in a very short time. It's the third fastest app to reach 150 million users, doing so in just 77 days. Only Pokemon Go and Threads have reached this milestone faster. With over 239 million users in just 81 days, it's gaining 4 to 5 million new players every day. Talk about viral. So, how do you play Hamster Combat? It's pretty simple. Tap to earn coins. Start by tapping your hamster avatar to earn coins. Upgrade your exchange. Use those coins to buy upgrade cards that enhance your profits. Passive income. Exchange upgrades allow you to earn points passively. Energy meter. An upgradable energy meter limits constant tapping to prevent bot abuse. Strategic investments. Engage in activities like PR campaigns and obtaining legal licenses to boost your exchange's performance. Now, the big question: how do you make money? Hamster Combat is part of the play-to-earn model, similar to games like Axie Infinity. The developers plan to launch the Hamster Combat token on the open network, TON blockchain. Players can connect their TON wallets in the game and earn tokens through airdrops. Plus, sharing the game on social media and completing missions can earn you bonus coins. The exchange rate is approximately 0.039 per one hamster. So for $1, you could get around 256,410 256.41 hamster. Hamster Combat isn't just a game, it's a social media sensation. With over 46.8 million Telegram subscribers and 30.2 million YouTube subscribers, the game has a massive online presence. Players can earn coins by following social media accounts and watching videos. The game's YouTube channel even set a Guinness World Record for gaining over 10 million subscribers in just 1 week. But is Hamster Combat legit? The game is built on the robust TON blockchain, which provides a secure platform for its operations. However, like all investments, there's some risk involved. The price of Hamster Coin has been fluctuating, and while many players are in it for the money, it's essential to stay informed and cautious. Always do your research before investing in any cryptocurrency. So, is Hamster Combat the future of blockchain gaming? It's certainly making a strong case with its innovative mechanics, massive player base, and potential for real-world earnings. Whether you're a gamer, a crypto enthusiast, or just curious, this game is worth checking out. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates. Until next time, happy gaming and investing.